I'm Liz. I study at Stirling University, a master's in big data and a member of the Data Lab Academy. So my last job was a fundraising officer, and I went off on maternity leave, and I decided not to go back to that job. And I sat and sort of did a matrix of all the things I liked about my job, the things I didn't, and that's where I found data analysis is essentially where I would like to be and the bits that I'd enjoyed doing before. If you were to Google how to learn data analysis, there is a million free courses, but I've always really valued the structured learning and support around you and learning from other people as well. The cost of a master's course was a huge issue, so I was looking at ways around that, and I found the Data Lab. So I applied for a few courses that the Data Lab sponsor, and amazingly got the fully funded scholarship as well. So I wouldn't be on the course if it wasn't for the Data Lab. But I also feel the course itself would have been far more difficult without the Data Lab, because having that community and the support, it grounds it. So it's more connected to industry, to what's actually happening in the world than just studying pure mathematics or pure programming. The Data Labs helped me see my background as a strength rather than feeling behind all the computer science students. They make it fun as well, they make it enjoyable. So even when you've got the exams or feeling overwhelmed with the work, you come at these events and you feel like you get a break from the intensity of uni. You come and get a reminder of the reason why you're doing it. I wouldn't have been able to do the Masters without the scholarship, and the Masters would be a million times harder without the Data Lab Academy.